In this video, what we're going to do is go through another Canva app. It's called Text Maker, and it's going to allow you to very easily make your font, your words, and everything pop in your designs within Canva very quickly. Check it out. All right, for this video, we're going to make a podcast icon for our podcast. Make believe, of course, but what I started with is a 1500 by 1500 pixel canvas. I'm going to go to Elements, Graphics, search Podcast Covers. I'm going to choose this one right here and enlarge it very quickly. Put that in the middle, but kind of close to the top. And say I wanted to add some sound waves behind it. Let's go ahead and do that. Bring it up. That looks great. We're going to move it to the back like that. And now all we need is our podcast title. So what I want to do here is I want to introduce an app. It's called Text Maker. And when you go there, it kind of already shows you a preview of what the text is going to look like. So here's one called Podcast. So let's use that one. I'm just going to call this Yes Sir. All right, that's going to be the name of our podcast. We could go here, change the font to it. You could go to colors, kind of play around with the shadow colors here a little bit. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we're going to just roll with it a little bit. Let's go there with a little bit of flare. Yes, yes, yes. And let's do the fill color as something like that. All right, so we have it. Let's make this brighter just so it's there. All right, so we have Yes Sir. Probably not the best choice of my color palette here, but we're going to add that to the design. It's going to take a second, and now we can put our podcast title down at the bottom here. Just call it Yes Sir. So that is how you can use Text Maker to come up with your cover art for your podcast. This is just a quick demo. I hope it helps.